All right. So have you ever had that feeling after a software upgrade when like everything seems fine
Oh,
and
yeah.
then like, bam,
Yeah,
some report you're relying on throws an error and just won't work.
absolutely. Yeah.
Like it's just the most infuriating thing,
Yeah.
especially when the error message is something completely cryptic, like
Oh, tell me about it.
organization PA account ID error
Oh,
or some other nonsense.
right. It's like, what am I supposed to do with
Yeah, exactly. Like I just
that?
want to get my work done, not, you know, become some kind of code breaking expert or something.
Exactly.
Well, today on our deep dive, we're going to be looking into a real world case study that shows, how a smart approach to problem solving can really make a difference
Love that.
in these situations.
Absolutely.
So, I want to introduce Manisha Sherba.
Okay.
She's a functional consultant at Kayana Solutions,
Right.
and she is kind of a wizard when it comes to Acumatica, the
Uh,
cloud-based ERP software.
nice.
She's really seen it all from reports and generic inquiries to business events and security settings.
Yeah, and that kind of broad experience is really important for a functional consultant. I mean, they're the ones who translate business needs into technical solutions and vice versa.
Yeah. We're like detectives in a
Yeah,
way. They
exactly.
got to figure out, why something's not working and how to fix it.
Yeah, so in this case, a client had just upgraded their Acumatica system and everything seemed to be going okay.
Mm.
But then they tried to run some customer-related reports,
Okay.
and bam, that's when this organization PA account ID error popped up.
Oh boy.
Um,
And it's interesting because this wasn't, a major system malfunction or anything like that.
yeah.
It was actually a really subtle change that was introduced in the upgrade
Mhm.
that sort of triggered this whole cascade of errors.
Yeah.
This is a classic example of why it's so important to thoroughly test everything after an upgrade.
Right. So how did Manisha tackle this?
Yeah.
Did she just start, changing things randomly until the error went away?
Yeah, no, not at all.
Okay.
She used what's called a root cause analysis approach.
So instead of just treating the symptom, the error message itself,
Right.
she really focused on understanding why the report was asking for this organization PA account ID in the first place.
Okay, so let's get into the details. What did she find?
Yeah, so she discovered that the upgrade had introduced a new parameter called organization ID,
Okay.
which replaced the old organization PA account ID.
Right.
It's kind of like if developers decided to rename an ingredient in a recipe, but they
Yeah.
forgot to update all the instructions.
Oh, so a tiny change with massive consequences.
Exactly.
So how did she fix this?
Well, the solution was actually pretty straightforward once she, identified the root cause.
Okay.
She went into the report's design and replaced all instances of the old parameter with the new one.
So it's kind of like a find and replace.
Yeah, exactly.
But this really highlights a crucial lesson for anyone, not just software users.
Right.
Don't jump to conclusions or try to fix things without really understanding the underlying problem.
Exactly. Identifying that root cause can save you so much time, frustration, and often a lot of unnecessary tinkering.
Yeah, absolutely. So if you're struggling with similar issues in your Acumatica system or really any software,
Yeah.
it might be time to call in an expert.
Makes sense.
Kayana Solutions has a team of folks just like Manisha who can help get your systems back on track.
Yeah, that's a great resource.
You can reach them at 678-910-2774 to book an appointment and discuss how they can help your business.
Awesome.
All right, well, thanks for listening to this deep dive,
Of course. Thanks for having me.
and we'll see you in the next one.
Sounds great. Bye.
Bye.